Hey guys, this is Daniel Curry, and this is my third project for Design 454. This project was on data processing to create a digital and physical output. For my project, I have this little model plane that I built. It has 3 LEDs on each wing, as well as a DC motor in the center. The LEDs themselves are all wired in parallel, and everything is being powered by independent pins. For my code, I'm taking data from the Long Beach airport, specifically on visibility and wind speeds, and processing it in a way that's able to tell the user whether or not it is safe to fly currently. There's a few different outputs that you can get depending on the data that's taken in, so without further ado, let's get into it. I already know, as I've been testing it, that currently conditions are clear and you should be safe to fly, so we will see the demo of that. As you can see, it says ready for takeoff. The green lights have turned on, and then sometimes you gotta just help the motor a little bit, but the motor starts up all good. That's how you know you're safe to go. So for the second section, I went ahead and modified the code so that way it requires higher visibility for it to be considered safe to fly, so I can demo what the low visibility function actually looks like. So we'll go ahead and run this one now. So as you can see, it now says fly safe out there, and there's an image of a plane flying with low visibility. We have the yellow lights turn on, and once again, sometimes the motor needs a bit of help. Now the motor goes at half speed as opposed to full speed, indicating to go somewhat slow and be careful while flying. Finally, I've once again modified the code. This time I adjusted the level of wind speed that it's trying to detect. Normally I have it so that way as long as the wind speed is under 30 miles an hour, which is the average rating for most planes, that it is safe to fly. However, to demo this code, I've knocked it down to 3. So now when you hit play, you now get the image of a crashed small plane that says, maybe just stay home today. And as you can see, the red lights turn on this time, indicating it is not safe to fly, and the engine does not start at all. Finally, just as a little Easter egg, I decided to program in an option for if the sensors thought that they were picking up hurricane level winds. So this is what happens if the sensors at Long Beach Airport pick up winds over 80 miles an hour. So you get all the lights turning on, engine goes full speed, and then you're left with an image of a plane all twisted and tied up together with the caption, "Feeling bold, are ya?" Just to kind of encourage you, live dangerously, live it up. But yeah, that's my project, so thank you so much for checking it out.